this is an example of a problem on relative motion. So we have a car going east at 10 meters per second and a car going west at 20 meters per second. And the question is, what's the velocity of car 1 as seen by car 2? And what's the velocity of car 2 as seen by car 1? Probably you can look at this and say, well, I know that if this is 20 and 10, it's going to be 30. All right? I want to show you how the equations that we have show that that's true. This is this weird looking equation. So V13 is V12 plus V23. So this is our mathematical model that we're using. We're going to use 1 to represent car 1. We're going to use 2 to represent car 2. And we'll use 3 to represent the Earth. So this going east at 10 meters per second, it doesn't specifically say this in here, but normally what we think of is relative to the Earth's surface. So this is the velocity of car 1 as seen by the Earth. That's what this means. The velocity of thing 1, car 1, as seen by the Earth. So that's 10 meters per second. And this is 10 meters per second to the right. So I've drawn this, so that's north, west, east, south, and we're going to call this the plus direction, because that's the normal direction to think of as plus. So this 10 is a plus 10 meters per second. Equals velocity of car 1 as seen by car 2. That's one of the things we're looking for. Just write that in here, V12, plus velocity of thing 2 as seen by thing 3. That's the velocity of the car 2 as seen by the Earth. So again, this is now 20 meters per second, but it's negative. It's in the opposite direction. Okay? So this says negative 20 because it's to the left. So now we can solve V12 is plus 10 here. If I add 20 to both sides, then this 20 goes away, so it is plus 30 meters per second. So that's, since the question's originally asked in terms of east and west, that's how we should give our answer. So 30 meters per second, and the plus direction is east. That's the velocity of car 1 as seen by car 2. Now, to figure out the other one, we could try and rearrange things to solve with this again. But this is a good time to use that V12 is minus V21. Okay, so that means V12, which we just found, that's the opposite of, so this is how car 1 is seen by car 2. This is car 2 as seen by car 1. That's the second question. So it's just minus this. So V21 is 30 meters per second. The opposite of east is west.